Hello everyone, my name is Frank and I love birds. I thought it might be fun to set myself the challenge of finding 24 different species of birds in 24 hours, and I thought you might like to come too. So here we go.
Okay, let's get started with attracting the birds.
So while the birds were discovering that there was food in the garden, I thought I'd go on a walk by the river and see what I could see. Oh, that's a big bit of bread. On my walk, I saw lots and lots of Canada geese, a ring-necked parakeet, lots of black-headed gulls, a moorhen, a red kite, some mallards, a buzzard, and a cormorant. Hello everyone, I'm back again and it's the middle of the afternoon and I've only found and photographed 8 birds. It's looking like I'm gonna have to up my game here, otherwise my challenge is not looking good. In the garden I managed to find 5 more different species of birds, which made it 13. As things started to look a bit quiet in the garden, I headed down to a different part of the river to see if I could add another few species to my list.
Okay, this is a bit more like it.
I saw some Egyptian geese, a swan, and a tufted duck.
Oh no, not more Canada geese.
It was still late afternoon and there were still 7 species to go. I saw a blue tit, a olive dove, a wood pigeon, and the jackdaw. I also saw a cockatoo. Just when all hope was lost, I heard some tweeting in the trees. It was a flock of pied wagtails, my 24th species.